Recently, I've been having a little problem in my backyard with this Toro sprinkler head right over here. When this thing turns on, our little lanai right in the back gets completely soaked. That's why this tote cover is over here, to block most of that spray until I can get this fixed. So what happened is, my son decided to water the plants with the sprinkler. So when this thing was on, he went ahead and grabbed it and twisted it. So now, this sprinkler, whenever it turns on, it does a complete rotation. It's almost 360 degrees, all the way around, and it just sprays everything. I looked at some videos and read some articles of how to fix this, and everything was super confusing. So I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one running into this problem. I decided to film a video on how I fixed this, if I fix it at all, of course, so that if anybody else is running into the same issue, you'll know how to get it fixed. As I was testing different ways of adjusting the sprinkler head, I figured out what I think is the easiest way to do this. Simply wait for the sprinkler head to get to the point where you don't want it to go any further, and then grab the top of it and twist it back. Wait for it to get to that line once again where you want it to stop, and then twist the sprinkler back again. Repeat this step over and over until the sprinkler stops on that line on its own. And this works both ways. If you're having the opposite problem and the spray radius is too small, you can expand it by simply twisting the sprinkler head further out past the line where it stops. Wait for it to do its little rotation back and forth, and if it's still not enough, twist the sprinkler head out some more until you get the desired radius. As you can see, with my sprinkler head, after a few adjustments like that, now it's finally spraying the grass only and not my lanai and the house as well. And that is how to adjust a Toro sprinkler head the easy way. I hope you found this video helpful, and good luck with your sprinkler head too. And if you're still here, I got a couple of dad jokes for you. I always make sure I have an extra pair of socks when I go golfing, just in case I get a hole in one. I used to be addicted to soap, but I'm clean now.